Hey guys, it's Miss Kelly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we do our letters during class, just in case you're ever at home and need to practice. So our first letter we're going to practice is the letter X. X says X, X, X. Good. Next one is A, and A says ah, ah, ah. R. R says C. C says k, k, k. Y. Y says yeah, yeah, yeah. T. T says t, t, t. D says d, d, d. L. L says O. E. E says eh, eh, eh. O. O says ah, ah, ah. F says G. G says g, g, g. P. P says Z. Z says Z. H. H says I. I says I, I, I. V. V says V. J. J says J, J, J. M. M says mmm. B. B says B, B, B. N says N, N, N. Q says Qu, Qu, Qu. S says S. K says K, K, K. U says uh, uh, uh. W says w, w, w. And that's it. So keep practicing. I know you will do it all right. Have a great day.